Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration DF66VEK. Mercedes-Benz Vito 119 CDI Sport Crew Van 7G Tronic. It has done 144,000 miles with one previous owner. It has an automatic gearbox and comes with captain seats. The van comes with alloys, air conditioning, DAB radio, cruise control, reverse camera, tow bar, Apple CarPlay, blind spot alerts, tailgate, parking sensors. These Vitos are well known for their incredibly reliable 2.1 diesel chain-driven engines, also a factory-fitted crew van that looks the part and has a great spec to go with it. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale, part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to 3pinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.